In this video, we will explain what is a 3D Experience ID, and how to create it. Then, we will end with a quick tour on the platform user interface. To access the platform, all the invited members need to have a 3D Experience ID. It is a unique identifier, created from the email address used to invite you on the platform. It uses a strong authentication to keep your data safe within the platform. It will allow you to log into Dassault Systèmes ecosystem, to access different apps, educational content, and connect with users worldwide. Now, let's see how to create a 3D Experience ID. Open the 3D Experience platform invitation mail received from Dassault Systèmes. If you already have a 3D Experience ID, click Sign in here to directly log into the platform. As a new user, you need to click on Create a new 3D Experience ID link to create your ID. Your email address is already set, you must choose a unique username. You can use either your username or your email address to log into the platform. Fill up all the required information, and click Register. Take time to read the terms of use before accepting them. You are in the 3D Experience platform. Nevertheless, you have to validate your registered email. Open the 3D Experience ID account email verification, and click on the link. Your 3D Experience ID has been successfully created. Now you have a 3D Experience ID, you can directly sign in into the platform. Click the Sign In link in the 3D Experience platform invitation mail. Tip: do not forget to bookmark this link for later. Use your username or registered email and password to start using the platform. You are now in the 3D Experience platform. Let us now explore main features of the 3D Experience platform. First, you will navigate to the challenge dashboard assigned to you. Select the required challenge dashboard from the My Dashboards list. This dashboard contains the necessary data and tools for your challenge. Notice that there are different tabs available in the dashboard. The first one, Discover, gives you access to some generic information on the challenge, and a quick access to some resources. Under the Learn tab, you will find plenty of video tutorials that are going to guide you to use the platform. It also has other tutorials, on how to use different applications within CATIA, Delmia, Enovia and Simulia. The Follow-up tab will let you to monitor your projects and tasks, with the help of Project Planning and Collaborative Tasks widgets. The Work tab provides access to all the data related to your projects. The Collaborate tab is from where you will access the communities for sharing knowledge, and asking queries. You have access to the 3D Experience Edu Students community. This community will connect you with the students and experts using 3D Experience platform worldwide. To open it, just click on the image. If you have any questions, you can search for the answer on the community, by browsing the previous posts. You also have an option to filter content on type, to narrow down the search results. Applying filter makes searching for a specific content more easy. If you cannot find your answer on the community, you can ask a new question. Just type your query and publish the question. Students and experts from this community can see this question, and reply to it. Communities help you collaborate with team members, as well as students and experts worldwide. If you need any assistance to connect to the 3D Experience platform, you can send a mail to support.3dsacademy@3ds.com.